Yep. Hi, Chloe. You like your cycle?
What? Beanie's gone.
Beanie's gone? Yeah, so it's okay. I'll get you another one, new one. Come on, come. Push. Ooh, well done. Good job. Hello, Chloe. Hi. Come. Oops. Come on down. Push. You like it? Beautiful bicycle? Let's go.
Look, a bicycle.
There's another bicycle, yeah.
That's two bicycles.
Yeah, one for Chloe bicycle, one.
One's Coco bicycle.
Yeah, Coco bicycle, eh? Coco bicycle?
Yeah, Coco bicycle.
Coco bicycle, yeah.
That's Chloe bicycle.
Yeah, beautiful Chloe Mahmoud.
That's brother and sister.
Yeah.
That's sister's Chloe.
Yeah, sister Chloe. It's a tree.
That's a tree.
Yeah, it's a tree.
That's another tree.
Another big tree.
That's bigger tree.
Oh,
That's not tree. It's a tree.
it's a tree. Watch out.
No, that's like over there.
Yep, keep going.
Can you push it?
Yes, did he push?
Yeah,
Okay, go. There's another cycle.
that's Coco cycle.
Coco cycle, yeah.
It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming bicycle.
Yeah, watch out. Keep going.
It's coming bicycle.
Exactly, yeah. Watch out. Watch.
So we got bottle.
Watch out.
What?
Water.
Swimming in the
Poddy. Jumping.
Jumping, don't polish.
No, don't jump.
Don't fresh it.
Watch it. There's a bicycle
I
coming.
would have the bicycle's come. I know one bicycle.
Yep, wait. We wait here.
I know one bicycle.
We wait here. Wait for the other one. And now we cross. Go. Woohoo! Yeah. Watch. It's another bicycle. Watch it. Stop. Hang on. We're moving. Now go. Yeah. Yep. No, he doesn't have a bicycle. There's another bicycle, yeah. That's another bicycle. Exactly, yeah. It's another bicycle. You want to push? Okay.